Hello. Hello. Hello, Granddad. Hello, Granddad. Hello, Grandpa. Granddad. Grandfather. Hello, Grandmother. Grandma. Nanny. Which is best? I don't know. Look at his chubby cheeks. Look at his chubby cheeks. Chubby cheeks. Ooh. He drinks so much. He feeds a lot. He's putting on weight. Look at these cheeks. So cute. His little nose. He's got a little double chin. Double chin. But his face is so cute. Look at the face. Yeah. Yay. He's got lots of hair. His hair. Nice hair. It's a little bit dark brown. I think it's got a little bit of light brown. We're seeing the light. Yeah, it's a bit lighter. Pasta? Okay. Thank you. Chloe's in the kitchen. Hero, say hello. Hello. She's gonna make pasta for me and her, but not for Aunt. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off. Say bye bye. No, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.